How to sell on Facebook Marketplace. First and foremost, what is Facebook Marketplace? You can see more information when you go to any web browser and type Facebook Marketplace. For example, this one here. Facebook Marketplace is a digital marketplace where users can arrange to buy, sell, and trade items with other people within their area or location. So that's it. Now to start, you just have to log into your Facebook account. And then if you're using your laptop or PC, you can see that marketplace here, or you can simply tap this and then go to the search bar and type marketplace and then click this one. Okay, so below here we have categories. You can choose any categories here if you're looking for something or if you want to have any idea about these categories, how these people sell this item. You just have to go to this area and click that specific item and know more about this. Now, if you want to sell, you just have to click this create new listing, tap this one, and then you have your options item for sale, vehicle for sale, home for sale, or rent. Let's just say I want to sell something. Let's just say cell phone, so I have to tap items. And then here, this is what it looks like. You just have to add photo. Of course, that should be your original photo. And then here we have title. Okay, let's just say cell phone, something like that. Okay, and then price. You can type the price, category. Okay, choose any of this. Of course, it's all about mobile. Okay, mobile phones. And then we have here condition. More details. You can just answer this by tapping this arrow facing down. Okay, stocks and so on. Location, you can edit that. Okay, meter preferences. You have also your choices here. You just have to toggle on or you just have to check that. Click next. And then these more places. You can join group to post your item if you want. Simply tap join group. And once you're okay with this, tap publish. Now, when it comes to phone or mobile, you just have to do the same thing. Go to your marketplace and then create your listing. And you have to provide the information here. Add photo, title. Okay, let's just say you are trying to sell a headphone or brand new headphone, something like that. And then price, add price here, and then also category. Okay, you just have to pick or select a category here, and then condition and description. And then once done, all you have to do is to simply click publish. Now, if you want to learn how to sell your item or methods on how to sell your item, you can go to any web browser and type ways that business owners can sell, and you just have to click any of this. And once you read this one, then you can get some information about selling. And that's it. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.